Hello traders, Mark Pre-Markets here. My name is Mark Principato. I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for joining me for another exclusive Bitcoin video analysis here for FX Empire. So in this session, I want to talk about the buy signal that's currently developing at the moment and what our outlook is for the following week in terms of reward risk. Okay, so let's get started. This is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, really quick, I just want to mention if you'd like to know more about the type of signals that we share, please visit greenbridgeinvesting.com. We offer swing trade signals by text, by email. We also have portfolio management ideas by email and a chat room. We also have a free chat room, and we cover many different markets, not just Bitcoin. We have a 7-day free trial as well, so I encourage you to check that out. Okay, so let's get started. Bitcoin has been fluctuating around the 18,500 inflection point now for a couple of weeks. Okay, it's been tricky here because it tries to break through and then it does not. Right now, we have a consolidation here. I'm going to point it out with this square. We have this consolidation here which failed to break. Okay, and we pulled back a bit, and now here we are. Earlier today, we had this pin bar close. All right, so that is actually a setup for a new long signal. Now, that signal has not been activated yet. We're watching it for that, and we have our order out there that's in play right now, but it hasn't been touched, which means there is no trade active yet. There are two things to keep in mind here, right? The reward and the risk. Everyone wants to know the reward, but no one cares about the risk. Well, let's talk about both of them. Now, the reward, we're looking for a move. If price can clear this consolidation here, and also this blue box just above it, which is the reversal zone, which means we need a decisive close above 20,200, then we're likely to see a short squeeze that can take this thing into the low 20s and possibly working its way up to the 24K target, which is our next major resistance area based on a projection. So that, again, that's not going to happen in a straight line. That is likely to take perhaps a week, at least a few days to work its way up into that situation. Again, we need a decisive close above that 20,200. If it fails to break this area, then you're likely to see a more dramatic sell-off. Now, the other thing is the risk. So if you look at this candle, the pin bar right here, the low of that candle is 17,640. If that level is taken out, and basically that lower 17K area, then we are then looking at the 16Ks, the low 16Ks. That's why it's very important not to react, and it's usually better to use buy stops in these situations to minimize any type of opinion or any type of emotional reaction where you're getting in based on noise, only to watch the thing stop out, which basically occurred back here in the 19K area. So we clear those low 17s. We're looking at the 16.3 as the next area for a long setup. If that's cleared, then we're looking at the 13.8 area, which is a major trend support. If our outlook for Bitcoin is going to remain bullish, it needs to stay above that 13.8. Otherwise, we have to adjust. Okay, so I basically wanted to run those things by you. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I want to thank you again for taking the time to watch and read the article that goes along with it. My name is Mark Pre-Markets. Thank you for watching.